This is a bike ride, I guess, but we're gonna actually do it. If it falls, then that's gonna suck. But we're gonna go really fast. So and the 50 Skins games are here. He's the gaming person. So actually, I want to actually show you a round. Let's do it. Okay. All right, let's do this, guys. Hold on. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back and let's do this. Oh God. I'm kind of afraid it's gonna fall. Alright guys, this is actually the bike ride. I don't know, but he's way back there. We will turn around. Sorry, it's falling. So I'm holding it. We're building a house over here. Alright guys, let's go back up and do 50 Skins gaming. Okay guys, we're back in the 50 Skins gaming is getting on. Make sure you hold your finger like that.
Right here?
No. Alright. The 50 Skins gaming is back here. I'm on the scooter. Look at me. Oh God, this is weird.
Oh God, I can't.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Do it for the video.
I hope it doesn't like fall and crack.
I'll ride with you actually.
I think
We're actually going pretty fast with me. Guys, actually, we will go.
haven't rode a bike in a long time. Oh yeah, I forgot there was no brakes! Ah, shoot. I can't. Hold it! Ah! You're gonna crash!
Now, and then it'll be my turn.
Hold up. Okay. We're back. I just had to turn around.
We can fix something too. We actually set up a camera just to. Hey, shoot. Okay. This actually did take a while because there's like a lot of stuff on the bike, on the board. Yeah. Just so we can make this.
Get in front of me. Crash into each other. Oh shoot!
Oh.
Don't get in front of me, man. Ah, it's hard uphill. What's holding this? Sorry if my finger is in front of the camera. It's just hard with the camera.
Dude, this actually like a digital TV. Alright guys, we'll be right back and we're gonna go somewhere cool. Like, yo guys, we're back. I'm just gonna take you for the ride, I guess. Sorry if the camera, but it's not all there, but you know. I mean, we wanted to do a bike ride video a long time ago, but we never got to. So, we're gonna take you to a good spot and like jumps, and you're gonna see the awesomeness. So, see you there. Yo guys, we're back and we're actually at the end of the street, you know? So let's actually do this. So I'm gonna go there without him. I stand up. Yeah, he should have brought his bike. But we'll be there without the gaming and we'll pause it, skip it out. You guys hear my feet, that's fine. Oh my God. Oh my God. This gaming will be here right now. It ain't very easy. At least it's in first person mode and you don't see us. So, we'll be right back until the 50 Skins Gaming is here. Guys, I'm back. He's not over here. Do you see him, guys? Anyways, we're gonna ride. Let's do this. Oh god, this is hard. Doing this with the camera, guys, it is very hard. I'm going fast. Let me jump. Oh my god. Oh my god. Over the burn. The burn, here we go. Hey, how about this, guys? I take you down an awesome jump. We'll go back around now. We're going back around. It's really hard to the camera. There's so many skips. Yes. It'll probably take us so long to do this. And if you guys see my head or shadow, sorry, it's hard doing this. And if I'm breathing, this is tiring. Very tiring. Let's do this again. Go fast. Oh my god, I jumped. It's the first time I jumped on my bike. We're gonna make this video very long. Alright guys, here we are. Not him. Not near him. The bigger. Last time I fell. It was funny. It was like slipping. Yeah. Alright guys, with my bike it might be better. We're gonna take a little break, guys, and we'll be right back. Guys, we're back and we take a break. That sounded weird. Let's do this. Oh man. Oh god. I'm not gonna make it up. Oh god. One more time around, guys, and we're gonna go back to the house, and that'll be the end of the video. But we just want to make this video a little bit long, so hopefully we'll make it up. But first, let's look. Not bad. And if you guys don't want to watch this video, just click on that and click out. Get the view. We're gonna do a lot of stuff in this video. Alright guys, ready? Ready guys? Oh, we'll look at another video. Oh! I almost fell off! Alright guys. We actually are gonna go back home and end the video because it's kind of too long. Did you want to ride it? Did you want to ride this jump? Alright guys, we're gonna go back home and we'll do another video. Part 2. We gotta watch this video. It's probably gonna be cool. Alright guys. Huh? The scooter? Don't leave it here. Now, come on. Around the road. Right, we're going on this dirt road now, guys. This dirt road is a little bit crazy. I'm not going on this road because I said I was not. Oh my god, this thing. So we're gonna wait for the 50 Skins Gaming and we'll be right back. 50 Skins Gaming is on this street now. And we're just gonna do a little cruise ride. And I don't think the 50 Skins Gaming will be here to be. But you know, guys, this has actually been a cool video we made so far. other than playing games, you know, and tiring YouTube video. We're actually gonna wait for him, so we're gonna do like a couple ride arounds. Car doesn't, well, it runs, but there he is. So I did hope you guys liked that video. If you guys did, leave a like and subscribe for the bike ride number